What if I told you this healthy vegan breakfast doesn't cost much and actually tastes like dessert? Today, I'm showing you how to make an easy chia seed pudding that's quick, budget-friendly, and so delicious. You only need a few simple ingredients, most of which you probably already have in your kitchen. Follow me as we make this step-by-step chia seed pudding. Now, cover it up and pop it in the fridge overnight, or at least 2 hours if you're impatient. The chia seed absorbs the liquid and transforms into this thick, pudding-like texture. We now have our chia seed pudding from last night, and here's the fun part: toppings. I'm adding fresh strawberries, blueberries, bananas, and some crumbled chocolate granola for crunch. You can get creative with whatever fruits you have on hand. And that's it, a budget-friendly vegan breakfast that's healthy, filling, and honestly feels like a treat. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comment section. What toppings did you use? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more easy vegan recipes, and share it with friends who needs breakfast inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.